All right, so we were in the desert over Thanksgiving. Had some issues with my steering joint, which is actually in this bag. I exploded the rag joint. Right here. I exploded this guy and basically popped open my tool bag, which was right there, which was just kind of a mishmash of tools that were in my daily driver that I had loaded up in the 4runner. And it was time to go through the tools. So what I've created right here is like a quick, I call it my quick tools. So this is like under the driver passenger seat, just kind of stuff that you use. You want to check something, you don't want to dig all the way through your tool bag way in the back. You want to get, if you get a flat, you want to have your tire plugs on hand. You need something simple like screwdriver, zip ties. Seems stupid, but a fingernail clipper. I've gone on a few trips and you get like a bad nail and it just kind of ruins the trip for, not saying it ruins the trip, but it's just annoying. So have that. You probably have one in your drawer at home. Crescent wrench, metric and standard, of course, and some hose clamps. And I still have a couple other things I want to add in, some gloves. And then, so if we go over here, I got these bags, these bucket bosses for Christmas. And so I've been trying to kind of go through here. Got some electrical tape, gasket maker, hose clamps, a cutting tool for brake lines, some lube, extensions, various sockets. I need to add some more still need to get a couple screwdrivers, need to add some snap ring pliers still, and then I need to add the rest of the wrenches in, and so all those will roll up and they'll go in this bag here. But just trying to kind of clean things up a little bit and be a little more prepared on the trail, so don't end up like we did out at Thanksgiving, where I had to borrow some tools. Usually you're going to be with buddies that have tools, so it's not that big of a deal, but it can be if you're totally by yourself and you don't have the right tools. So anyways, prep your stuff. Yeah, bye.